Valves can control the flow of liquids, gases, powders, or other materials in pipes. Among those are ball valves, which can be used in many different applications based on those characteristics and design. HISAKAWORKS Limited is continuously pioneering new fields for ball valves using our technological and development capabilities. Since our establishment in 1942, we have been cultivating our technologies and capabilities for over 70 years. In 1951, we developed the first domestic dyeing machine, followed by a plate heat exchanger. In 1958, taking advantage of stainless steel processing technology, we developed the first domestic stainless steel ball valve. That was when we started down the ball valve path. Consequently, we developed new designs utilizing our control technology of heat and pressure and advanced manufacturing technology. While working on solving client problems, we developed unique ball valves. The ball valve has a ball with a hole in the middle and operates by rotating the ball to control the fluid flow. Because the hole is the same diameter as the pipe, flow resistance is very low. Another characteristic is its ability to rotate 90 degrees to go from completely open to completely closed, making it easy to manipulate. Fluids, gases, powders, high viscosities, high temperatures, high pressures. Our development team created ball valves to meet many difficult conditions. HISAKA ball valves are used in various fields. That's because we continue to work with our customers to understand the challenges they face and then develop ball valves to meet their needs. The thing I'm most concerned with during the design process is safety. The valves we make are different from general valves in that they are used by chemical companies. And if even a single valve has a gas leak, it could cause a disaster. So when designing valves, we are always concerned with making sure that they have no leaks. There are many different types of fluids that our customers use, so it's very important that as part of the design process, we make sure that every single customer requirement is reflected. Conditions differ based on the fluid, but even in the case of the same fluid, changes in temperature, pressure, or the diameter of the valve's hole can cause other changes in condition. So it's important to listen to the customer to get all their requirements, do trials with them, and get approval before deciding on a final design. At HISAKA, we have a policy of interdepartmental discussions in order to resolve customers' problems. Developed and modified valves are produced in the manufacturing department under the name of the HISAKA ball valve. HISAKA ball valves are manufactured at our factory by skilled craftsmen who do the machining, assembly, and inspection. By continually introducing state-of-the-art technologies to supplement our inherited stainless steel processing skills, we can provide top-class manufacturing. Skilled staff machining using a lathe and face lathe. All of the manufacturing can be controlled by one efficient processing machine. The manufactured products go through rigorous inspections. All kinds of CNC machines. Ball manufacturing devices are used only for ball valves. Welding of jacketed ball valves and long bonnet valves. HISAKA ball valves are produced by the collaboration of the latest machining technologies and skilled workers. The hardest part is dealing with the heat involved when machining. Iron has a very small thermal deformation, but if stainless steel gets hot, the deformation is much larger. So it's hard to make sure it fits the target. You get used to doing the same basic work over and over, but even though you get used to the work, there are also licenses to get. So my goal is to raise my skill level on the job. I currently have center lathe first grade, but now I'm aiming for the special grade license. Senior colleagues have the flexibility to meet many different requirements, and no matter the conditions, they can adapt to meet them. They have so many different skills as well as the ability to utilize them. Many different products are assembled here. You can begin to see the shape of a ball valve. The quality of HISAKA products is based on the safety and reliability of knowing that all parts are manufactured and assembled in our Japanese factory. In order to maintain the high quality of HISAKA's ball valves, there is a rigorous quality control system. The ball is the key part that affects the performance of the ball valve. Because of that, controlling precision is important. Each dimension of the valve body is measured and inspected rigorously. All on-off control valves have traceable nameplates attached. HISAKA has its own unique quality management system, built over 70 years of technical capabilities, commitment to quality, and rigorous inspections. We also have some global certifications, including ISO 9001. Using a test machine, I do a thorough check on the assembled valves. After my inspections are done, the product is complete, so I feel a lot of individual responsibility to personally inspect the parts that can't be done by machines, in order to ensure that no mistakes are overlooked. Our company's quality target is to reduce accidents to zero. Let's introduce the major products among HISAKA's ball valves. First off, the general floating ball valve. This is our main product and has a wide range of uses. including chemicals, petrochemicals, oil refining, steel, pulp, power plants, gas, shipbuilding, and food. Valves up to 12 inches can be produced. Jacketed ball valves are made by welding a jacket onto the body of the ball valve that contains a heat medium. This allows temperature inside the valve to be maintained and lets fluids that will solidify at room temperature pass through the valve. Metal touch ball valves are valves where the ball is sealed with metal seats. They are used when high-temperature fluids, abrasive powders, or slurries are used, and soft seats, such as PTFE seats, are not appropriate. Three-way ball valves have either a T or L shape and allow branching of fluids with just one valve. This allows a fluid diversion system to be simplified. Three-way ball valves specifically for use with pneumatic powder conveying systems. This allows smooth diversion of powders without any being retained in the port. Because it's made specifically for powders, it is constructed with a thick, strong body. There are also many special valves, including those for specific fluids. HISAKA's ball valves are world-class. Our products have been recognized as high quality in over 40 countries and are used in many different fields. HISAKA's staff all share the same spirit of sincerity, the spirit we've maintained and put into all our products since we were established over 70 years ago. Making genuine products that support user needs. That is our basic spirit. To support that philosophy, we continue to listen to our customers and have all our departments, from sales to design, manufacturing, and quality assurance, work as one to weave our skills and creativity into our products. That is HISAKA quality.